out everything Dennis, aka E-Dee, Dancehall celebrity, Q-Boy, DJ Bigger, Poom Poom Tuesday.
Fancy face, she pretty like a flower. She make enough man want spend half them dollar.
Bigger girl
Fancy
them.
face, she shoulda see the waistline.
No sir,
me nah go waste time. Pretty like Rihanna, them gyal is a scammer. And when she touch the road, every man want a slammer.
Q-Boy.
Fancy face, cock it up on me 3 times. Hold on, I see this a face.
Bigger shot on the scene like a shotgun. She sight him right and run come. Say you have a man, him a go get bought. Pull out a kind of place locked down. She used to check him on a Sunday. Now she want check him Poom Poom Tuesday. She start to bike him Taco Tuesday. But me nah make no girl fool me. She swear